Somebody said the champ no longer happy. Say I'm all myself, say I can't do my thing no more. I wanna let you know one thing. Get ready for this. Get ready for the greatest poem of all time. Cause it's gonna be great. And I want you to say it. You're living in the world full of competition, so the best thing to do is stay in condition. Spirit, soul, body, and mind. If you keep this together, you win every time. Game get hard as time moves on. Death is for the weak, and life is for the strong. If you get weak and seem to lose hope, take a rest and do the rope-a-dope. And after you rest for a little while, come off the ropes with grace and with style. Life is full of ups and downs. You gotta be a fighter to stick around. So dream your dreams and do your do. And don't stop until you see them through. If you hear my poem and you understand, you too can march on. Shuffle my feet, I'm Muhammad Ali and I am unique. I'll give you the secret for success. It is up to you to do the rest. First of all is what you believe that determines whether you win or become esteemed. Fear is the next in line. He was at my fights every time. But when I came against this thing, I told him that I'm the king. And after fear, then came doubt. I did the Ali shuffle and I knocked him out. I'm 3-time champ in reality. In Rocky 4, it's just a fantasy. Anybody know this rap or this poem is the greatest of all time? The greatest love is the love of yourself and share your love with everyone else. Believe in yourself and the things you choose and have a positive attitude. Remember what I said, it's what you think that determines whether you win or become extinct. Now everybody knows this is a serious rap, so put your hands together and begin to clap. Call my name.
Yeah.
Call my name.
Muhammad Ali.
Call my name.
Ali.
Call my name.
Ali.
When you call my name, you give me inspiration. And to be a champ, it takes dedication. Now everybody knows the best never rests. That's why we here and we pass the test. Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Mapenzi safari